Hi student, today we are going to discuss this that GCE O-Level 2025 paper. Uh, Only this discuss like the geometry part is very, very important one. This students, so that parallelogram, uh, midpoint theorem, and congruent everything included. So that mix exercises. So that is gave the midpoint of the PQR is parallelogram. That Px midpoint x, QR midpoint y. Now this connected Qx and XM line intersect PR, L and M. Fine. First, we need to X, first one, X, Q, Y is parallelogram. That. So second part, PL equal 2/3 PR. That's it. How to do this? So first one is a parallelogram. We know that the quadrilateral convert to parallelogram for reason. What? Quadrilateral pair of opposite side equal and parallelogram. Quadrilateral diagonal bisect, this is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral opposite triangles equal, this is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral opposite sides equal, this is a parallelogram. So we can find that how to do this. We know that P, Q, R, S. This is a parallelogram. We know actually this is a parallel this. Okay. Then you are proving QY equal XX. Then we know that opposite side equal, opposite side parallel. This should be parallelogram. Now how to do this? First you select that PQRS parallelogram. Now we know actually parallelogram opposite sides equal. Then you can write PS equal QR because parallelogram opposite sides equal. That parallelogram opposite side equal. Opposite side equal. Right. Then we know this is gave x equal px. Now we can write sx x equal half px. That data. Then qy equal half qr. This is data. So ps equal qr. Then we can take x equal qy. Right. So then you are selected x, yeah, xy, x q y x, q y x quadrilateral. We know actually we draw that x parallel qy because that parallelogram opposite side parallel, right? Parallelogram opposite side parallel. Now we proving x equal qy. x equal q already proved. So then you can write x q y s parallelogram. What? Because reason what? Quadrilateral pair of opposite side equal and parallel. That's a parallelogram. Quadrilateral quadrilateral pair of line parallel quadrilateral parallelogram. This you can write clearly. Now first part okay. Now XQI parallelogram. Because now then we can draw that parallel. Okay. So we are going to explain this the second one. Look at this. He need to PM equal 203 PR. PM equal 203 PR. I think better first you selected that triangle. That triangle. QRL triangle. Okay. We know what is the midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem, two midpoint theorems are there. First one, only normal midpoint theorem. Triangle, two side midpoint. Joint line that parallel remaining DE parallel BC. Second one, that line equal half remaining side. That's a midpoint normal theorem. So that midpoint converse theorem, line drawn pass to side midpoint parallel to one side, that line bisect remaining side. That this is a midpoint converse theorem because that AD equal DB, DE parallel BC, midpoint converse theorem AE equal DC. These are key points. Okay. So that useful that your sum second part. So that look at this. That how to do this. Okay. So that you select RQL triangle. RQL triangle. We know that we know that RQL triangle, RY equal YQ. YQ this is a data. Right? So that a parallelogram, already we proved that parallelogram, then we can write MY parallel LQ. That's already proved. Then midpoint converse theorem, you can write LM equal MR. You can use this simple way. Midpoint converse theorem, clearly write midpoint converse theorem. Right. That A, that should be A. So then again you can select that triangle X P M triangle. We know Px equal Xx. He gave this data. SL parallel SM because that the parallelogram we already proved. Then midpoint converse theorem this bisect PL equal LP. Then you can write PSM triangle. PSM triangle Px equal X. Px equal Xx. These are data. Okay. So that XL parallel XM. XL parallel XM. Already proved. Then you can write PL equal LM A. PL equal LM equal simple A because midpoint converse theorem. Midpoint converse theorem. Right. So then you are planning that the PM equal 2 or 3 PR. That's a method. Then you use this useful very put these letters. We know actually that this converse theorem it should be A. Okay. So we are going to erase this. So you are planning PM equal 2 or 3 PR. Now this all are A. Then we can write PM. Yeah. Right. PM equal that A addition A. This is a method. A addition A 2A. So that PR A that should be 3A. Could you understand that? Okay. So that this divide first divide second PM over PR equal 2A over 3A. This cancel. Then we can write PM equal 2 over 3 PR. That's the way. I think you are okay. Very important is basics like parallelogram basics. Then useful just a midpoint theorem basics. Okay. Please follow my videos. Then you easily can find that. Okay. So thanks so much for watching my video. If you need any classes, London A-levels, addiction, train teach and everything, mathematics is A-levels, mathematics everything and local syllabus also. So my telephone number 071 800 5772. My name Hema Priya Gunasekara. Hema Priya Gunasekara. My channel, YouTube channel, it might sector Hema, watch that, and if you like, please subscribe. Thanks so much for my video. Now next some upload next. Thanks so much.